Greetings everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've had it for a month now. And in this video, I'm just going to be giving you guys my overall thoughts of it. I need a thumbnail first. This will be the thumbnail. There we go. This is the 13 Pro Max, by the way. I'm recording with my 15 Pro Max. I make a lot of videos. I don't know why, I just do not want to depart from the 13 Pro Max, to be honest, though. It's a good phone, you know, good camera. I may still use it, filming-wise. But yeah. As for the 15, I've had it for a month. Now, I don't put any thought in my videos. I'm just going to say how it is, how I feel about it. And, yeah, enjoy. Just putting content for you guys, as always. Now, my iPhone 15 Pro Max has had pretty much no problems. Runs smoothly. It's very fast. One of my major issues, though, is the action button. I always think it's the volume button, so I keep pressing my action button and my camera goes on. You know, that's the only downside, but no big deal. You know, I'm here in a first world country. I'm very grateful that I have technology like this, you know, and I utilize it, and it's just fascinating. Majority of us neglect things like this. You know, if you have a smartphone, especially like an iPhone 15 Pro Max or the Samsung Ultra, you know, all these top-of-the-line phones, be very grateful. As you can tell, the quality is amazing. This is the front-facing camera. Well, the selfie camera. And as you can tell, very good. The zoom quality is amazing. Overall, very positive experience. Now, this is something that I wanted. You know, did I need a new iPhone 15 Pro Max? Not really. My 13 ran smoothly. The 13 was really impressive. I love this phone. But I wanted something new, simply. I wanted to be frivolous, and I'm very glad I purchased it. Phones fascinate me. Phones are like one of the most amazing pieces of technology that humans designed, that humans made, next to the wheel and next to the, you know, automobiles. And it's just fascinating. I really have a thing for phones. Trust me, guys. I'm always even current today, I'm always looking at phone reviews, even though I have a brand new top of the line phone, just for the hell of it, because it's fascinating how there's so many different types of phones out there. My first phone was a Singular. I remember. Shitty little crappy plastic phone. And now I have a phone made out of titanium and high quality videos that I could upload to the internet like that. You know, very grateful. Now, I haven't had any issues with overheating. When I do plug it in, it gets a tiny little bit hot. Nothing too crazy. I don't know why people bitch. They bitch over every single little thing when you should be truly grateful. You go to Haiti, you go to any third world country, you know, and look at all you see is like fake iPhones and fake this, fake that. You know, just be grateful. Now, the design of this phone is absolutely phenomenal. It's truly remarkable. It's a very sexy phone. I got the best looking phone, to be honest. I got the top of the line terabyte with a beautiful case. I got one of the coolest cases. It's like a Junebug green case. Very sexy. Yeah, I spent a lot of money on this phone, and I'm truly glad I did. This is truly fascinating. I make videos daily, and You know, I utilize my phone in my everyday life. If it wasn't for my smartphone, I wouldn't be living in the car, I'll tell you guys right now. But another negative of this phone that I've come to realize is when you plug it in the USB-C, sometimes when it's nighttime and I want to plug it into my car, you kind of have to, you know, find the hole. You know, because sometimes that little USB-C kind of scratches the phone if you can't find the hole. But then I have to put the light on, you know, because I don't want to scratch my brand new phone, obviously, and I have to put it in the hole. But that's just something to be aware of. With the USB Lightning, with the Lightning port, you just, you know, don't have to worry about the scratches because it's very smooth, you know. But with the USB-C, it's kind of a little sharp edges, so you don't want to tick or nick, scratch. But yeah. I was looking at the Samsung as well. The Ultra, I believe it's the 23. Samsung's too cartoonish for me. The phone's too blocky. It's just a square, you know. I like some curves, you know what I'm saying? I just like the design of the iPhone. It's very sleek, professional. It's very attractive. The Samsung is attractive, don't get me wrong, but it's just too square and it's too big. Now this is a big phone, guys. This is the 13 Pro Max. I believe this one's bigger than my 15 Pro Max. I kind of really don't like too big phones. The 15 Pro Max is a perfect size. It's a little smaller than the 13 and the 14. But I did buy a bulky case for it, so it's probably the same size as this one. But with any phone you guys get, guys, especially if it's a nice phone, you need to buy a case for it. Non-negotiable. A case is a must. And I highly recommend, if you guys do have an iPhone, to get a case like mine. I mean, don't copy me. I know I have like the coolest, sexiest phone out there, but you know, I'm just giving you guys some tips for those of you who want to be as cool as me. Yeah, no problemas really with this phone. Very fast, very smooth. The camera's great. Video games, I'm playing Sonic sometimes on it. What else do I, you know, it's just a fantastic phone. Now, compared to the 13, you know, the 13 are pretty much the same, not gonna lie. The only thing is, you know, this is kind of like a mirror, chrome-ish. I'm not a fan of chrome, which is why I like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I like the smooth texture. I like what they did. You know, it's very smooth. Obviously, if you don't have a case, I don't recommend you use it. Get a case, you know, because it's too smooth, you know, it'll slip right out of your hand. But that's all I can say, guys. You know, I remember when I was a little kid, one of my first birthday presents, I remember, one of the coolest birthday presents I ever got was a flip video camera. It just recorded like 10 minutes, and then it had a built-in USB, and you could plug it into the computer. Check out what we got nowadays, guys. You know, these devices. My, how times have changed. I feel old. But I'm very grateful I got to experience these in my 20s. Yeah, the phone's great. One of my favorite phones was an HTC M8. I had that phone forever, I remember. The phone was kind of crappy, but it was very attractive, you know, for that time period. But since we're on the subject of talking about phones, yeah, no problems, guys. Get an iPhone 15 Pro Max, highly worth it. That's pretty much all I have to say. I wanted something top of the line. I live a very simplistic lifestyle, so I wanted something with great video quality, because obviously I love making videos for you guys. This is what I do, simply. big part of me. And I wanted, something that this is part of me. I carry it around everywhere I go. It has my credit card, has all my information, my insurance. Phones are one of the most top priorities, the top essential things in life, guys. Phone, car, and sunglasses, like I said in one of my videos like a while back. Most important things. Yeah. I don't know why people get so mad about Android users and then they get mad about iPhone users. Bunch of bull. Just be grateful. I remember I was just so grateful to have what was that stupid phone called? Something Plus. It was like a couple of years ago. I wasn't really into phones. I was like way more frugal at that time. And I bought like one of the cheapest phones and I was just so happy to have it. And things change, everything changes. I kind of wanted to be more serious with my YouTube. I wanted higher quality videos. I wanted something that I know that will last for a long time. And that's what these phones do. Trust me, guys. I've had this phone for a while. The 13 Pro Max. I dropped it a couple times. I've been everywhere with it. Made hundreds of videos with this. And, it's... Look at that. It's still looking brand new. It's still great. This is my old case with it. But, very satisfied with iPhones, which is why I decided to go with it again. Now, one thing I did like about the Samsung is it had a little pen. That's probably the only thing, I really like to just jot something down real quick. That's pretty cool, but, I could always just go into notes. No big deal. And that's pretty much all I got, guys. There's pretty much no problems. Those are the only problems, really. Is that little USB-C scratching the bottom of the phone. And what else did I say? Lost my train of thought. I don't know. No problems, really. It's a great phone. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, hit that bell so every time I upload, you guys get notified. Leave a comment. Thank you.